Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing a Loveworld song, Amazing God, and we're going to be doing it in a key of C sharp. Alright, so chord 1, chord 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1. Alright, so the progression of the song is somehow simple. A4, a 6, 4, 1, and then 5, 6, 4, 1, and then a 5. So let's try to play this intro. So let's do it again. You play a 6 on the left, or you can just play your octaves and then you play a 4, chord 1, then you do a 5. So let's do it again. So I'm going to play it slowly again. It's so with that one you start on a 6 to a 4, then you do 1, 5. So there is none like you. I like playing the 6 over the 4 like this. Alright, so there is none like you. You're amazing God, amazing God. None compares to you. You're amazing God, amazing God. You are. So it's just a repetition. You are. So you do 6, chord 6 to a 4, then to a 1, then to a 5. You can still play the basic chords. You can use your inversions. And amazing, amazing, Jesus, you're amazing, amazing. The whole song is in a 6, 4, 1, 5. So that's all for you. I know it's a quick and short tutorial, but that's the whole song for you. And God bless you for being a part of this tutorial. Bye bye.